Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss different types of input types. So you have seen the last two videos where we were discussing about the checkbox, radio tag, etc. Right? So today we are going to discuss about the different types, because there are another different types which are called date and time, email, etc. Okay, telephone. So all these things, why we are using and what is the type, and everything we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so first let's start with an input type called date. Okay, so here you can see that if I give the date itself, what are you able to see? You can see that a date or a calendar is here, right, to choose a date, isn't it? So this is known as the date type. Okay, next is the date and time. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to choose a type where you can put the date and the time. Okay, type is equals to date and time local. Okay, so here you can see that you will be able to input the date as well as the time, because the time automatically comes, right? If I give this date or today's date, you can see that automatically what is the time that will be coming, right? Why? Because it is the local time that we have chosen. Okay, the next is the email. So here in this email, you can just give input type is equals to email. So now this one, you are just being able to give only the email. Okay, so now let's give codingduty@gmail.com. Okay, this is just used for the email one. I'll give double BR so that it will be looking good. Okay, next is the image. Okay, why we are using this image type? So I'll use image. So now let's give input type is equals to image. So now what you can see? You can see here that the input type is like you can upload an image here. Okay, for that. But here you don't have an option to upload it. So that's the reason why it's coming like this, because you need a background or a back support for the input of uploading an image, because you need JavaScript. Okay, so in the JavaScript we will be dealing it later. Next is the telephone. Okay, so now let's give input type is equals to tel, where you will be able to give your telephone number. Okay, the next one is the time. So let's give time. Let's give input type is equals to time, where you are able to give the time. So now you know that it's 5:23 and it's already showing me, right? Because that is the time right now here. That is why. The next one is the search type. Let's give input type is equals to search, where you will be able to get a search bar. Got it? So for that we are using this search option. Okay, you guys know for the text means it will be the text alone, right? Input type is equals to text, where you will be able to get a single one where you can input any type of text. The next type is the URL. which is the uniform resource locator, right? This is also a blank one where you are going to give the text, okay, of your URL. Got it? Next one is the password. Let's give the password. Let's do like input type is equals to password, where you will be able to write the password. You can see here whatever I type, it will be in this format because I am just using a type called password where the password is not being shown. Okay. The next one is the number. Let's give input type is equals to number. This is also some place, but you are not supposed to write anything else, just the numbers. Okay, can you see this? So this type of an input is set to be the number. Okay. The next one is the month. How to input a month. Okay. Input type is equals to month. What will happen here? You can see that the month is the only thing that you are able to input along with the year. The next one is the week, where the input type is equals to week. Got it? Let's give a BR. So here what you can input is just the week. So here if you want like week 39 of this year, okay. So like that you will be able to enter the week alone. Okay. So the checkbox, the ready box and everything we have discussed, right? I hope you guys remember that, isn't it? So that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.